Welcome to this series of compilations of tree work fails. Tree work often goes wrong. Sometimes people are stupid, unaware of the situation and risks, untrained, reckless, or just plain unlucky. Sometimes the tree itself fails. Whatever the reason, watch carefully and learn from it so you don't make the same mistakes or hire a professional. I hope this video will help raise awareness and therefore reduce accidents in this dangerous profession. If you are the original owner of a video and would like credit for it, please email me at info@primarygarden.nl.
Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen.
Week-old unrefrigerated pie. John Wayne.
Hey. Hey.
What's that on that beat? Nope.
The amount of times we asked them to cut that tree. But they're not.
Oh no. Oh my gosh.
I'm scared.
Oh my god.
I'm scared. Oh my god.
Oh damn.
It's
Going the wrong way.
Oh, it caught the wires. Look at that thing. It didn't break.
It didn't break.
Thank God.
Went right towards Jody and Justin. I told you that.
He cut it all the way off. You don't do that.
Pull the press on it? Yeah.
Oh, it's coming.
Go hard! Back up. Back up a little bit. That ain't good. Oh no. Wow. Oh.
Oh, fuck. It's bad, dude.
Oh yeah, real bad.
It's bad.
Real bad. Oh shit, it's going the wrong way. Oh shit. Oh no!
That's what I figured.
Keep going! Just go all the way with it! Keep going! Faster! Go! Oh shit! Go!
There it goes. He did it.
fucking knew it. I fucking knew it.
Oh no! Whoops.
Sorry, Pat. I told you it was gonna fall that way.
And it doesn't look like you just got the trees pruned, you know? Right. Oh! Ah! Oh my God! Oh! Hold on, man. Hold on. Oh! What happened? I don't know. Go call on one. What? Call on one. Right here. Where is it?
Holy cow. Jeez. You okay?
Well, no. If I'm up here and it goes, it starts rocking.
It's gonna start rocking, Kyle. As soon as you cut, that is a heavy limb. As soon as you cut it, it's gonna have a rebound effect.
Just stay right there, Kyle.
There you go, stand underneath it and saw. That's a good idea.
Put your leg down around the other side.
Okay. Ah! 'Ah! 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 '
Thanks for watching and be safe. See you next time.